very slow, so I will be upgrading very soon. So this might be the unboxing video, by the way, so I don't know. The M3 Pro, the black one.
Pro chips.
I already backed it up.
That's why it's awesome. I'll let you have a bag of this. Alrighty, my dude.
Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day. Yo, 18 gigabytes of unified memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD. Whoa. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Oh. M3 MacBook Pro, let's get it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. Like, the specs on this thing is crazy. Let's get it. There's just something about Apple unboxing experience. It's just like always great to do. Let's check the box. I'm super excited about this. Oh. Yo. I just love how compact it is. So this is the 14-inch M3 Pro MacBook. I just love how simple and compact it is. Like, this is a powerhouse, you know what I'm saying? But let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the MagSafe braided cable, or the charger. We'll love to see that. What else is inside here? We get all this Apple stickers and stuff, or the menu. Oh, with this come in black as well. That is super sick. I'm gonna add that to the collection. And then this is the 72 watts charger. This is actually smaller than what I used to have on my previous one. Like, no kidding, I swear to God. It's actually smaller. This is more portable. Maybe I'll be taking this along with me on the go. Yeah, that's it. That's what we get in the box. Now it's time to put all this to the side and come back to my baby right here. Sheesh. By the way, guys, this is literally all my money, bro. Every single cash I have. Whoa, that is so satisfying. Now, in terms of the color, this is actually not black. This really isn't black. And I'm already seeing fingerprints on this. This is more like a deeper gray from the previous one I have. Now, in terms of the ports, we have a SSD slot. That is so clutch. And then we're gonna have a USB-C on this side, and an HDMI port as well. Good use of space. And then we got the headphone jack, another 2 USB on this side, and then the MagSafe charging ports. Love to see that. But yo, I'm already feeling on all the fingerprints on these. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro, my hands are already sticking to us. This is a fingerprint magnet. But yeah, let's get right into the baby. Whoa. So one thing just turned on. That looks super clean. Yo, I'm really excited. Let's take this off. Bro, this is super clean, bro. You guys don't know how excited I am to like have this, bro. You guys don't know how excited I am. And the keyboards, I'm gonna miss the touch bar on the top, but I have to use, like, you know, F1, F2, F3 for my function buttons. We also get the Touch ID on this side. And then look, we also have speakers. Bro, I feel like the speakers on these are gonna be crazy. I think there are other speakers right here too. I don't know if you guys could see that. By the way, guys, what I'm actually doing right now is I backed up my old laptop into this right here. It's kind of like a hard drive I took from one of my older computers. My information from my old computer is just gonna jump right into this, and it's not gonna feel like I'm having a new computer, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so it took roughly about an hour to transfer all my backed up data from my hard drive at the speed of almost 40 megabytes per second, which is pretty quick. Now, I have spent the last 48 hours with this machine and I'm really loving it. No regrets. One thing I was really excited to check out is how portable it is. Even though this is heavier than my 13-inch MacBook, it feels really portable at 14 inches. And the fact that I can easily fit a laptop with this much power in my Nike Stormfit backpack just makes it easy to carry along with me everywhere. The design and form factor is another thing that really amazes me. I love the dark color on these, and even though Apple is calling it space black, it really isn't that black. It's more like a dark gray color, but I'm loving it regardless. One drawback though is the fingerprints. As soon as I had it out of the box, the shape of my finger was already on the body, but other than that, it looks really stunning. The amount of ports on this machine is a game changer for me. I am coming from a MacBook that's limited to 2 Thunderbolt ports, so having a 3 USB-C ports and SSD slots along with a dedicated MagSafe charging port is a huge upgrade for me. I can easily connect my accessories to my machine without the need of a dongle, and also have all my footage right from my SSD card after filming and ready to edit, which just makes the workflow easier. It also has an HDMI port for external monitor as well as an headphone jack. You can easily render up to 4K resolution with this on 2 monitors, and honestly, this is what separates the Pro from the Air. Now, it has a 14-inch liquid retina display with promotion technology at 120Hz, and yo, this looks sick. I can literally tell the difference between this and what I am used to. If Apple allows more games to be played on this, they definitely will be fire. Consuming media on this looks super clear and vibrant, and the color and contrast is just unmatched, at least in my experience. It gets bright up to 600 nits, and honestly, this is the first time I've had to reduce the brightness on my MacBook, so I'm pretty sure it will be clutch to work with this outdoors. Now, I wasn't sure if the notch at the top will be a concern, but honestly, I don't even feel like it's there. They made it seem like the entire top of the screen is just a border, and it's not even noticeable when consuming media, but you get all your menu bar information aligned with it when you're on the home screen. Speaking about the notch, the camera at its center is at 1080p, which is another upgrade for me. So this is what the webcam looks like. Honestly, very clear. So this is 1080p. If you want to jump on a Zoom call, talking with your family, your friend, business, all that stuff, you could get away with this for real. There is a slight difference between this keyboard and the one I'm used to. These are actually better. The key spacing is perfect for a smooth typing experience, and the key travel is flawless. The response time is on point, and overall the typing experience is great. And if you look closely, the color of the keyboard differs from the body of the laptop, so this is the definition of black. The feel of the trackpad isn't really new to me, and as always, Apple has the best trackpad in the market. It works flawlessly, and the haptic feedback is just on point. Great response time. It does come with a 6-speaker sound system, and bro, these go crazy. Ain't got no gut but my mama, my baby. Still on the way, so she also for twos. I'm still coming up, but my sound so wavy. Step in the game, out of all of the roofs. You definitely won't be needing an external speaker if you travel with these, cause they just give you the best sound experience. It has good bass, and overall the audio quality is punchy, and yeah, 10 out of 10. Like I said, I've only spent the last 48 hours with this device, so I cannot give the perfect review on the performance, but I can talk about my experience so far. But before that, I would like to talk about what I do and why I decided to upgrade to this laptop. So as some of you guys may know, I'm a computer science major in college, and I have used an Intel MacBook Pro for the past 2 to 3 years. It handled all my school tasks perfectly with little to no issues, and I maintained it well. But I started to take YouTube seriously earlier last year, which means I was constantly editing videos and my old MacBook couldn't keep up with my workflow, so I decided it was time for an upgrade. I traded it for the base model M3 Pro MacBook and also got a student discount, which brought the price down to $1,500. Honestly, a good deal because I'll have to pay the same price for an older version, so I'll rather get this since I'm not gonna be needing 2 MacBooks. This comes with 18GB of unified memory, 11-core CPU, and a 14-core GPU, which is just the base model. Now, on paper, these specs are high and probably all most people would need on the machine. Like every tech reviewer, I did a Geekbench test and here's the result. Honestly, just like you, I don't know what these numbers mean. Just kidding. But what I really care about is a practical test, so I put it to work. Transferring all my earlier footage from my SSD to my hard drive with this was a breeze. I was able to transfer a 28GB worth of file within 4 minutes. Now for me, that's really fast. I fired up CapCut to edit the video and it just stayed calm like it's doing nothing. I went further to download Final Cut free trial for learning as I plan to invest in it soon. And this bad boy was just handling everything with no lag. I had multiple Chrome tabs open along with other apps running on the background. The fan didn't even go on for once, and the performance so far for me is an A1. I will be making a day in the life with it though, so make sure you are subscribed to see this machine in full effect. Now the battery life. I tried not to charge it for the first 24 hours and just run fully on battery. I got more than 6 hours of editing done along with scripting and browsing the web, which used up less than 50% of the battery, and that's pretty decent in my opinion. I will be having it docked in my setup most of the time though, but I hope to run on battery whenever I take it out for work. So make sure you guys are subscribed to see more of the performance of my new baby. And that's it for the video guys. If you guys are feeling this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Stay safe, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Yaga.